Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the account balance feature in B1 print and delivery add-on. A short detail about this feature is if you want to send account statement or general ledger report to multiple customers or suppliers in one shot, you can use the account balance feature of B1 print and delivery add-on, which is developed by Boehm IT. It's a very simple and straightforward and user friendly to use. Once you configure, install, and once everything related to setup is done, you'll see an option called account balance in the business one menu under the business partners module. So all you have to do is just open the account balance. You can choose customer or supplier. You can select a range of customers. You can select a group of customers. You can even filter them out based on the properties. Let's say I want to email account statement to everyone. So I'll keep all in the group, and in the action I can select I want to email them, I want to print them in bulk, I want to print preview, or I want to save them as a PDF. Please note, in case of PDFs, it will be one file for one customer. If you have branches, you can choose the branch as well. You can also select how you want the aging to be to appear on the general ledger report or account statement, and then filter for the dates: posting date, due date, and document date. I'm sorry, I have something with the posting date field, but it works. Okay. So let's say I want to send it without filter. Then you can choose display business partners with zero balance, display reconciled transactions, or you want to send only open invoices. And preview before execution means before it execute the job, you want to see the list of customers who are going to receive the account statement from you. So once I click OK, so these are the customers who are going to receive the account statement from me. I can select them all, or I can simply select one. And if I will not choose preview before execution, I will not see this list. It will simply execute the job in the background. So for example, I want to send statement to customer C7 Tetra 0 and C23900. I'll simply select them and I'll click on execute. So as you can see, as per my setup, it should show me the draft email before it sends out. And the content of email, this is completely customizable in the setup. You can customize it whatever you want to type it. So, and this is the account statement report which is attached. Okay. So I have the three invoices which are pending. Then I have the bank details where customer is supposed to pay, and this is the aging section. You can also customize the format of this report up to some extent, but it's not fully customizable. Okay. Uh, so if I close this, I'll see another one since I selected two customers. Why I saw it in Outlook as draft, because I have configurations. It should show me draft and display. So, and this is the customized content in the email. So if I select here send directly, it will execute the job in the background and the emails will appear in my sent item of the Outlook. Okay, if I select save as draft, it will show only, sorry, it will save the emails in draft. It will not display. If I say save as draft plus display with signature, in case if I have some complex signatures with photos, then this option is used. We have to convert the signatures in HTML and save it in the setup. You can have multiple receivers. So as per setup, uh, the recipient is basically email address defined in the master data on the general tab. On top of it, if you want to CC some people, yes, there is a feature to CC someone also. So let's say CC to whom. I can select here For example, email category, and in the contact persons, I have some categories. So I can assign a category to a contact person, and that that category can be used as a CC or even as a BCC. So I mean, it's pretty flexible. And then there are some more filters, or you can say some more advanced features related to it. I will not go in detail. Okay, apart from it, there is another interesting feature. I want to mass email the invoices to customer. So there is a feature called mass delivery. You can mass email any document from business one to the customers. For example, I want to mass email AR invoices. I have different options: email, print, preview, print, save as PDF, date filters, internal number filters, branch filters. If a document is already emailed by B1 print and delivery, do I want to, I mean, should systems consider that document, or you want to send everything irrespective it was sent before? Then open only if a document is printed, do you want to include it? What about cancelled invoices, and do you want to preview before you send? Yes, I want to preview. So these are all the invoices in my database. So again, I can choose one, I can choose multiply, or I can have a filter based on the date range also in order to reduce the results in this window. And same concept, if I select and click OK, based on the configurations, it can send the emails in the background, or it will save them as a draft and open it for the user to have a look and finalize and send it. So these are two key features of B1 print and delivery. There are some more features in B1 print and delivery and B1 usability function, uh, that I will explain it later on. Thank you very much. Stay tuned.